dependable, intelligent, eye-catching. Some have even called them the future of security. I am, of course, speaking about smart locks.
Hey, do you have questions about how smart locks work and which one is the best fit for you? Well, you came to the right place. I'm Nate, an Asurion expert from our innovation lab, and today I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know about smart locks, from pricing to security to installation. First things first, what is a smart lock? Smart locks are wireless devices that allow you to lock or unlock your door without a physical key. Now, most use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but some use different wireless frequencies like Z-Wave, for example. They can be controlled and monitored remotely and allow users to easily incorporate their door locks into their smart home. There are lots of options for your lock's digital key: an electronic keypad, a fingerprint scanner, or depending on your model, a smartwatch. With a smart lock, you can easily create temporary passcodes for visitors like Aunt Jan and set up alerts for when your door is locked or unlocked. Smart locks rely on battery power with an average lifespan of a year, so blackouts won't keep you locked out. And in case of emergencies, smart locks come equipped with a backup feature if your battery does run out. But we know what you're wondering. Are smart locks as safe as traditional locks? Absolutely. In a lot of cases, they're even safer. Smart locks allow you to secure your home from anywhere if you have Wi-Fi access, control who enters your home without using extra keys, and even monitor when your kids arrive from school. For an in-depth look at different safety features, check out this video linked in the description below. Let's move into the top 4 things to consider when buying a smart lock. First, cost. Obviously, you don't want to spend more than you're comfortable with. Depending on the features included, smart locks can cost anywhere between $100 and $500. If you find a smart lock for a substantially low price, be sure to read the reviews and research the company that makes it just to be safe. Style. A smart lock must be compatible with your existing deadbolt locking system. If your door already has a deadbolt, your options are simple: a deadbolt replacement that fits into the same space as your previous lock, or a deadbolt adapter that fits over your existing deadbolt. If your door doesn't have a deadbolt, there are smart lock models that replace your doorknob entirely to include one. Next up is your locking mechanism. As I mentioned, you can use fingerprints, key codes, and apps, but you can also use a smartwatch and geofencing technology connected to your phone's location. Now, what about compatibility? You should find which models are compatible with your existing phone and connect to smart home devices like smart hubs, security systems, and even refrigerators. They don't call them smart homes for nothing. Imagine simply telling your smart speaker to open the door if a friend comes over a bit early and you're tied up in the kitchen. Awesome. Being fully equipped with everything there is to know about smart locks, you may ask yourself, can I install this myself? Well, the answer is, it depends. Some smart locks may only require 20 minutes and a screwdriver, while others may require expert installation. For more on protecting and caring for your tech, visit Asurion.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more answers to your everyday tech questions.